One question I get asked all the time is from panicked users of Microsoft Word. It typically goes like this. I normally have a row of buttons along the top of Word. Suddenly they've disappeared. How can I get them back? Well, this row of buttons is called the ribbon, and I'm going to show you how to get it back. Nearly every button you use in Microsoft Word is found in the ribbon at the top, so if it suddenly disappears, it can feel like Word is completely broken. But don't worry, you can easily get it back in a couple of clicks. You'll notice that you still have the menu bar at the top with Home, Insert and so on. If you click on Home, you'll see the ribbon comes back, although it disappears as soon as you start typing again. The trick to making the ribbon stay is to click the little pin icon in the lower right of the ribbon. This will pin the ribbon so that it's always there. But you want to make sure you don't lose the ribbon again in future, right? Well, I can tell you that you probably made it disappear either by clicking this small arrow here or by double clicking on one of the menu bar options. Just be careful not to do that in future. Why would anybody want to hide the ribbon? Well, some people prefer having it out of the way, giving them more room to work if they have a small screen. I hope this trick has helped you. Please let me know in the comments below. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tips from me in future. Thanks for watching.